mind, today Fulton County Schools announced when classes start on Monday, masks will be required in most schools.
And that school district reversing course because of the dangerously contagious Delta variant. CBS 46 has live team coverage now on how schools are preparing for and dealing with this pandemic. And we begin with Megan Packer, who's live outside of an elementary school in Sandy Springs. Megan.
Rick, all of the schools here in Sandy Springs in the Fulton County School District, including this elementary school here, will require masks on the first day of school coming up in a few days on Monday. They are using data, making this on a week-by-week decision-making process. The only schools right now where the masks are an option are in Johns Creek.
I'm a new sixth grader, so it's going to be very hard. Also, the halls are confusing.
Students like Lady already have a lot to contend with as the new school year begins. Now, when she goes back Monday in Fulton County, she and her classmates will be required to wear a mask.
It's good that we get to have masks, but it's kind of bad because of some people that have asthma.
Fulton County schools will make a determination each week based on county health department data from different municipalities in the county. This website shows all of the schools in red that will require masks. Schools in Johns Creek are the only locations where it's optional but encouraged.
I actually think it's a good thing because I feel safer that way.
This all comes as the CDC just today announced it recommends universal indoor masking for all students 2 and older, teachers, staff, and visitors in schools, regardless of vaccination status. And when it comes to quarantining, this administrative order from Georgia Department of Public Health Commissioner Dr. Kathleen Toomey says while following CDC guidance is the safest option, schools may elect to adhere to different quarantine requirements as developed by the local school district to facilitate in-person learning, as long as the exposure happened in school and the person remains asymptomatic. So as you can imagine, all of this might be very confusing to parents who are at home right now. We know moms and dads have a lot of decisions to make. I spoke with a pediatrician today who was fielding a lot of questions from her patients' parents. The one thing she would recommend you do right now as kids head back to school, that's coming up at 6 o'clock. Reporting live in Sandy Springs, I'm Megan Packer, CBS 46 News.